RegDesk got its start not that long ago in March at a healthcare-only Startup Weekend event. Some of you may be familiar with Startup Weekend. And that was held here in Philadelphia. And the critical moment was an industry expert who was just incredibly frustrated by the inefficiencies in her trade and her craft, and came to this Startup Weekend event knowing really nobody, and pitched on a Friday night and convinced a whole host of complete strangers to join her for 54 hours in validating a concept that would apply a new world method to a very old world problem. And we kept in touch in the weeks after that weekend was over, and I was very impressed with each update on the progress that was being made. And since joining DreamIt, the pace of that progress has really only picked up. And, well, I'll let the results speak for themselves, but please welcome RegDesk.
Hello, everyone. I'm Priya Bitani, the founder and CEO of RegDesk. We bring speed and certainty to healthcare compliance. I started my career at Baxter Healthcare, designing, developing, and launching medical products. I learned firsthand how challenging regulatory obstacles can be. I left Baxter Healthcare to become a regulatory consultant, helping numerous medical device companies launch their products and navigate the global regulatory maze. Any company in the world that wants to launch a healthcare product has to meet regulatory requirements for every country where they want to do business. Regulatory landscape is not static, it's dynamic. The rules of the road are always changing. In the beginning, you have endless number of questions just to plan a strategy. There is no Google search or Quora to answer these. You have to rely on the knowledge and wisdom of experts who have done it before. Even once you have the strategy and the answers, it's a multi-year process of testing, data collection, filings, and negotiations with the local authorities. This process is repeated for every country, every market you want to enter, and applies to all, from large corporations to nascent startups. With a mess this big, perhaps it's not surprising that healthcare companies spend $180 billion a year to meet regulatory requirements. The current process of finding an expert or a consulting firm is through a personal network, which is uncertain and time-consuming. It caused delayed market entry and millions in lost revenue. The traditional consulting model is just simply painful and frustrating, and yet we all still use it. The sole premise of compliance is risk management, and the current process is risky. There's a better way. At RegDesk, we do everything we can to reduce the risk and bring speed to market. We do it in multiple ways. RegDesk is the world's largest marketplace of in-country, on-demand compliance experts. Our experts have an average of 15 years of experience. You're no longer limited by the size of your personal network. You now have instantaneous access to in-country experts who understand the local regulatory requirements, speak the local language, and have access and credibility to the local Ministry of Health. Plus, you have transparency to fair market pricing and expected timelines through multiple proposals. For those of you here familiar with Odesk, we're more than a marketplace. We also offer tools to help you manage your projects. We have milestone checklists to prevent any project delays. We also have a secure messaging system on our platform. In addition, we provide country-specific intelligence reports detailing all the requirements, regulatory, and documents needed for your device type for any given country. And we constantly change these reports to keep abreast of the regulatory changes. Lastly, a common complaint from global regulatory consulting is the payment methodology. We now offer the ability for clients to pay in their local currency and for consultants to receive payments in their local currency. Let me demonstrate how quick and easy it is to find and hire an expert through RegDesk. All you have to do is quickly post a project by providing basic product details, such as your product type, intended use, description, and the countries. You can then compare all the proposals at once and select and hire the best consultant for your project in just a click of a button. In this example, it took the client less than 5 minutes to post a project, and within 48 hours had received 3 proposals. What used to take months now takes less than a week. We launched our beta just 7 weeks ago, and in this time span, we have 33 clients, over 200 consultants, spanning in over 140 countries. We have completed 5 projects to date and have many more underway. Our clients have great things to say about us. This is the best you're ever going to get out of the risk-averse compliance experts. We get paid through a combination of % of each transaction and subscription fees for our intelligence reports, which are authored by world-class consultants. In the next 12 months, we will have a run rate of $2 million. We will increase the number of consultants per country, increase our geographic spread, and we're already speaking with some of the top pharma and device companies to make RegDesk their go-to platform. If you know any healthcare companies in need of compliance, please send them our way. No project is too big, no project is too small. Also, we have opened our seed round and would love to partner with you. So if you like what you see, please do come talk to us. This is a big yet old-fashioned industry and ready for disruption. RegDesk is ready to disrupt healthcare compliance. Thank you.